Hello everyone, welcome to DK Curiosity. Have you ever been annoyed by the mosquitoes' buzz sounds in your ears while you were sleeping? Or have you been scared by the bees' buzz sound when you were in a park? Well, I believe most people experience this, but have you ever wondered who will make a higher noise among bees and mosquitoes? Bees flap their wings about 200 times in 1 second, so the sound is about 200 hertz. Mosquitoes flap their wings about 500 times in 1 second, so the sound is about 500 hertz. Therefore, mosquitoes make a higher sound. The sound that is higher than 20,000 hertz and is not heard by the ear is called ultrasound. One can shoot the ultrasonic wave into the water and use the reflected wave to measure the depth of the seafloor or find a shoal of fish. Ultrasound wave can also be used to produce images of a fetus in the uterus. It helps to evaluate a baby's growth and development and monitor your pregnancy. Thank you for watching DK Curiosity. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because more amazing content to fulfill your curiosity is on the way.